Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to upload a PDF on ChatGPT. If you want ChatGPT to read, summarize, or analyze your documents, this tutorial is for you. This works if you're on your computer or laptop. To upload a PDF on ChatGPT, all we need to do is open your browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once we are here, click on New Chat and then click Upload. Click the plus sign to upload, then select Add Photos and Files. Next, select Files and choose your PDF file. We have our PDF ready here. Now type in your prompt and make sure it is clear. Then press Enter when you are done. There we go. The file has been uploaded and ChatGPT is now reading through all the content in that PDF. This feature lets us upload PDF files into ChatGPT so we can interact with the content inside. We can select our document, upload it, and ask ChatGPT anything about it using the upload feature. And that's it. Now we know how to upload a PDF on ChatGPT. We hope this helps.